This video has been prepared by West Highland Housing to demonstrate how to bleed or remove air from your radiators. Occasionally, your heating system will draw air into it which becomes trapped in the high point of the radiators. This is commonly detected at the start of the winter heating season and may occasionally require to be repeated during the winter. Air in the system reduces the volume of hot water in the radiator and therefore the effectiveness of the radiator. You can detect that you have air in your radiator when your heating system has been on and you feel the bottom of the radiator is warm but the top of the radiator is cold. You can also detect that you have air in the system if you hear air gurgling at the central heating pump. To remove air from your radiators, fully open all your radiator TRVs. Allow the system to run for a few minutes to ensure full circulation. Switch your heating system off. Using your radiator key and a small cloth to catch drips, insert the key in the air vent bleed valve at the top of the radiator. Turn the key anti-clockwise to open the valve. If you have air trapped, this will now start to escape. Cover the valve end with a small cloth to stop water spraying onto the walls or floors. Allow air to escape until there is a steady flow of water from the radiator. Please be aware that if the heating has been on, there is a risk of scalding. Turn the key clockwise to close the air vent bleed valve and clean off any dribbles. You should repeat this process to all radiators in your home. By removing air from your heating system, you will reduce the pressure in your heating system. Heating systems should operate between 1 and 1.5 bar. The system pressure can be observed on the pressure gauge. The pressure gauge in some developments will be easily accessible, in which case you can proceed to top up. However, in others it is not visible and you will require to report this to us and we will undertake this activity for you. To top up the pressure in your heating system, you need to undertake the following. Check the filling loop is connected. The filling loop connects the water mains to your heating system. Open the quarter turn valves. There are usually 2 valves that need turned. The valve heads, when open, will be in line with the pipe. This allows the mains water at main pressure to flow into your heating system. Once you are in the range of 1 to 1.5 bar, close both valves. The valve heads should be at 90 degrees to the pipe. It is really important to ensure that you always close these valves once you have topped up your system to prevent the system being overpressured, which potentially could cause damage to your home. At this point, you can now switch on your heating system. This process can be repeated again if you feel there is still air in your system. If you are uncomfortable or unsure how to undertake this activity, please call West Highland Housing on free phone 0300 323 1170. If you find that you are having to do this on a regular basis, please report this to West Highland Housing as there may be a fault or a leak with your system. West Highland Housing have prepared a range of videos to help you get the best out of your heating system. These can be found on our YouTube channel and provide information and advice around how to operate your central heating programmer, setting your thermostatic radiator valves and removing air from your radiators. Should you have any queries that have not been answered, please call, email or send us a message via Messenger.